Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about becoming a content creator? Do you know the steps that you need to take to become a successful one? If not, please stay tuned for our easy 1, 2, 3 steps on how to become a content creator. Firstly, you gotta head over to youtube.com, then click the right hand corner where you see a button say sign in. You're gonna sign in your Gmail address and your password, and you start the process there. But don't be alarmed if you don't have one yet. You can also hit the create button where you can hit that button and sign up for your own. You can sign up for your own account, but when you hit the create account button, you will see two options. One, for myself, and the second one is to manage my business. The first one, for myself, is more of a personal account rather than the one that says my business. You can give other persons options of being a moderator to monitor your comment section. So you'll find yourself at a location where it says choose how to create your channel. You will use your name. You will either use your name or you create a custom name for your business channel. So guys, if you have thought about a name for your beautiful channel, please insert it in the comment section below. So guys, another proven strategy is that you should stick with the theme of the channel that you're thinking about. Whether you're talking about gadgets, talking about trips, whether it's about trips, vlogs, tech help, vacationing, whatever you choose to make your channel about, you should also try to stick with the motive, the theme, the aim, the dream, aspiration of your channel. Whether it's a Shein haul, once you want your channel to grow, you should aim to grow with your target audience. There you go. That was a warning sign for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a nice comment.
Where are you going? We're not done as yet.
The description section below is key, where you put your channel information, keywords and phrases and tags which can boost your ranking on YouTube. We will drop a link of a video about YouTube ranking. When you share links of your other YouTube or social media platform on your YouTube channel, it helps you to generate more traffic to your platform. Again, we should also note the next step is to verify your YouTube account. By verifying your YouTube account, it helps to unlock many different features, and with our new verification, we can now upload custom thumbnail, we can upload longer video, and so on. Guys, we don't need a PC to do our verification. It can also be done right on your Android phone. Dear viewers and subscribers, you can also unlock a cool feature of a custom URL on your channel. Custom URL eligibility. To create a custom URL for your channel, your account needs to have 100 subscribers, must be more than 30 days old, you must have a picture icon uploaded, and uploaded a channel art. Now that we have reached the end of our tutorial, I want to thank you guys for staying with me till this end, and I want you to drop a star so I can know that you watched till the end. Please smash the like button in pieces, subscribe, give me a review on the content that was previously recorded, and give us a hint as to what you want to see next.